Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to delete TikTok story. If you've been searching for a way to remove your TikTok story photo or video, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To delete a story from your TikTok account, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to navigate to your profile page. Now, at the top of your profile, you'll see your profile picture with a circle indicator. Tap on it to view your current story. You will see all your active stories here. Once your story is playing, tap on the share icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now, a menu will pop up with various options. At the bottom of the pop-up, tap on Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete again to confirm your choice. Once you do this, your story will be removed immediately from your TikTok account.